here's what my setup looks like right now. My laptop, as well as just a mouse to kind of use it with. The Ikea linnmon tabletop with the $4 legs, as well as this chair that I put together just for this pretty much. This is brand new actually, I just built it the other day, and I gotta say it's pretty nice honestly. I'll link it down in the description too if you want it, but here's what we are starting with. And here's everything that we're kind of adding to it. So of course I got my laptop, I have a mic as well as a laptop stand. I got some lights from Walmart for $20. They're smart bulbs, so it comes with 2 regular and 2 RGB. We'll see if those are any good. I have a microphone stand as well as a boom pop filter, a mouse, and just some random other stuff. Some LED lights for the desk. These are the lamps that are going to be going into. And then also the main portion right here. My LG 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor. It's going to be pretty much the whole thing, as well as USB-C. And not to mention, of course, mouse mat, the Ikea desk, basically $20 top, the linnmon. Just got it in black. I do want to eventually maybe wrap this, maybe in a white or kind of a wood material, just to match the either headboard or, you know, kind of have a gray, white, and black theme going. So I feel like this might be too much black, having the desk all black with all black and gray peripherals. So let me know on that, as well as the legs and then just the power cord underneath. And the chair. I'll link this down in the description. It's a Smog desk, I believe, is the company of it. It's $94, and so far so good. Comes with a headrest and all of that. Very great. And if you guys are new to my channel, if you guys could hit the like button before the video even starts, it does help a small channel like mine grow. So the first order of business is probably getting the monitor up. I have the desk pulled away just a little bit from the wall so we can run LEDs and do cable management as well. And there we go, with the monitor on there, it's already looking a lot better. Kind of taking up the desk, you know, I wanted to center it. And for this video, I'm not going to be doing all that much cable management just because I don't have my raceways in yet. But we will try and tidy it up as much as we can with like what we have. And I think what we're going to do next is we'll just set up the laptop real quick. So we'll get the mat as well as the vertical stand over here, if we can read that. And I'll show you guys a stand real quick as well. So I got a human-centric one. And this is what it looks like. It's just a triangle one, and it's also space gray. Cable is easily hidden. I think we'll leave it there for now, and then we'll kind of go from there after. And the next items I'm going to be doing are probably the microphone. So I've had this already, I just threw it in the box. I've used it before. And this is basically what it comes with. As you can tell, it's not exactly all done up. But it's a 5-fine USB microphone. Basically $40, and the audio quality on here has been amazing. This microphone stand, little boom arm, and we're gonna try it out with this. Not really sure if I want it either on this side with the Mac or over here, but we'll try out both maybe and we'll see which one looks better. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this microphone stand. This was also about, I think, $12 or $13 off of Amazon. That's everything that it includes. We got some tape, it looks like. We have the microphone mount. We got the desk clamp. As well as the arm itself in here. And just like an instruction booklet. So I'm going to set this up just a little bit and we'll try using this out. microphone more or less where I want it. I'm gonna try it on this side for a little bit just because I feel like it's just more out of the way that way. It's right up against the wall, so I can always just tuck it away like how it is now. Now while we're here, I'm just gonna go toss these more. I'm gonna put them there as well as on the other side. And though this isn't a part of my setup, I'm still gonna try these LED lights. I've already downloaded the app and we're just gonna try them out. We got these for $20 off of Walmart and it comes with 4 smart home ones. So I thought I'd give it a try. I'll make a separate video on this just because I want to see if it's any good. And they're going to be going into these Holmo lights, I guess. I got 2 of them from Ikea. They look pretty modern and nice. I'm sure the RGB is going to look real good. So I've just got my Logitech speakers over here that I've had for years. I don't know exact model, but I'll put that in the description for you guys. As well as my power cord, power strip. I do plan, once I get all this cable management stuff, to get everything just underneath the desk, as you can see right over here. So I'm gonna set this up and then we'll get started on that. So there we go, I got the speakers in finally. Cable management was a little bad. I was just trying to do as much as I can before I get any zip ties and stuff. I put one there, I also put one back here, just to keep the plans kind of showing, as well as trying to still keep it uniform. I don't know what I should do with this just yet, but we'll kind of see. And then, as you can tell, kind of a mess right now. I tried to bungee that up as much as I could, and then I need some more for these, like maybe some Velcro straps. My plan is to mount this thing underneath the desk right over here, just so like all of these hanging things can be all tucked away. In about a week or so, this should be all taken care of. But overall, I just needed some sound coming out of these. And for the meantime, this is kind of what it looks like. Let me turn on the monitor for you guys real quick as well. This is where I'll be spending a lot of my time. I'm a coding intern, so I'll be coding a lot over here, as well as video editing and just consuming media. One thing nice about this kind of setup is that I don't have a TV in here and my bed is right over here. So I can kind of pull the chair away and use this crazy 34-inch ultrawide monitor as kind of a TV so I can watch from my bed. Let me just start it up for you and we'll take a look at how everything looks like. As well as some other functional things, but there we go. This is what it looks like right now. We've got the monitor and everything going. Let me just move this over. So we've got the whole setup now. Everything is kind of in its place. Obviously we are missing the keyboard that would go over here. Really hoping to get that on the restock, as well as I do want to get a new mouse here eventually. I'm just using this Microsoft one. It works for now, but as you can tell, if we bring up something, ultrawide is looking great. This is functional, and more updates will be coming along as soon as I get stuff in. This is more or less just moved in pretty much yesterday, so all of this stuff is just kind of getting everything set up and all looking good more or less.